Yo, what's up, my Negroes? Whoa, ow. Today I was eating donuts and I bit myself so hard that I bled. My mouth bled. It was awful because I hate the taste and the smell of blood. So lovely. Besides that irrelevant point, let's have fun today. Woohoo! I'm going Mango Festival with Monique. It's gonna be fun. Gonna have a lot of mangoes, even though I only eat starch mango. I don't like any other type of mango. Sorry, but I just do it. Right now, I'm gonna get ready just now, but because I'm a big procrastinator and I just hate having to do anything when the day comes, I haven't started to get ready yet, so yay! Right now I'm watching YouTube because I was just eating, and every time I have breakfast, I watch YouTube videos. Duh! I need to stop. So look how fab my nails still look. Okay, it has been how much days? Well, this one got effed up. This one and this one at the top. Did you see it? Yeah, okay. And also this one. Like, does your nail chip in the middle? Because if it does, then I'm not the only person. But my nail decided to chip in the middle. Like, how did that even happen? I was looking at I have a hole in the middle of my nail polish. Not actually my nail, you know. I have a hole in the middle of my nail polish. Like, where'd you come from, you know? Weirdo. But my nails look still fresh and fab. And I did them Wednesday. And it's Sunday, so they're staying pretty good. And they're just it's just regular nail polish that I'm using. But I always use the same top coat that they use for acrylic nails because it makes your nail polish stay a lot longer. So that's what I use on my toes and my nails. So yeah. I'm just giving you, you know, like my little tips. Well, it's not really a tip. That's just like my personal secret that a lot of people did not know, but now it's out there in the world. So yeah. But yes, so I'm watching at wait, can you see? Yeah. I'm watching Lisa. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. So that's who I'm watching right now. And yeah, you all should go over and subscribe to her because she makes amazing tutorials and DIYs. I actually took I watched on her DIY and that's how I made my kimono. So yes, so I will link her I'll link her YouTube in the description bar, so go look at her and go subscribe. She's amazing. I will see y'all in excuse me. Do you see my burping problem? I have a burping problem. I will see y'all in a while. Bye for now. Hello, people and aliens. It doesn't matter, you know. Ain't judging, but seriously, why you still here? I go in Mango Festival. Oh, sorry. I go in we're not going? What? Okay, sorry. I go with Moi and Monique. Y'all have seen Monique a dozen of times. Y'all go and see her some more. Rain is falling. Where are we going? I don't know. But bye for now. I don't know what to say. That's basically why I just rambling on. I just saw a child run. You wanna see Monique? Look at her. I don't know if you've seen her, but you? Okay, bye for now. Hello everyone, and I'm taping you, Moi. I'm taping myself. Afternoon. Hello everyone, so I am at the Bird Sanctuary in Trinidad because that is where I reside. And right now we are going to Mango Festival, the festival for mangoes. These are the people I'm with. Look them there. And the clown called Monique only moving. She else sickening like Moi. No, I find it nice. Alright, so you wanna see the place? Let me show you. So there are like boats here, and that is the Swampy River place. And then there's all this good stuff, and more like bushy stuff. I would go like on a tour, but Monique and them are so scared, and Moi suffers with some serious motion sickness illnesses. G'day. And so we can't go on that, but you know, I can show you all other things, so I will. When I get in, I'll show you guys as well. So bye for now.
Mango Festival 2014 here at the beautiful Carinese Earth Sanctuary. And as I do
all these set of mangoes. More mangoes and a pineapple.
Unique items and activities.
So it is infused with
strawberry.
After you drink your natural liquid fruit juices, and take note, not from concentrated.
Monique is rubbing her hands with mango cream.
Honey, have a little mango taste.
How's the texture?
Serious? Wow.
It's a nice.
So if you're interested in mango tasting honey, you can check them out here at Niche Traders. Our friend from Liquid Fruit.
So this is my food. I have mango chow, and then a mango sauce, and then normal green salad, rice, and chicken. And I'm about to eat with Monique,
Good afternoon, everyone.
who's sitting down.
Right.
Hi, say hi, Monique. What's up, my shorties? Say hi, Moi.
Hi, Moi.
Okay, so I am back, and there is something on my nail. Hold on. Monique, let's go now.
No, they're mashed up, girl. You seen that? You should leave her, let her go when she falls. She will be different. So I'm walking on the bed.
Do you see what I have to deal with like all the time? This is not fun.
You should have told her nothing. Let her go. So I'm walking on the bed. I ran to get the phone, so I will ever have that video.
And those are my friends.
I tell you, I'm not your friend already, you know, right?
Bye-bye. Monique was eating a cupcake, and she got a hair in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's somewhere around there. Look what I bought. Mango cookie. Hello, my lovely. So I'm on a boat. Can you believe it? Look. The water right there, and I'm actually in a boat vlogging. People think I'm crazy, but that's okay. Y'all know how it is. Where are we going? We're in Bird Sanctuary, going on a tour. Apparently it's an hour long, and that is like, I don't know how fast I will pass or anything as well. So hold on. We're on a boat. We're on a boat. We're on a boat. This is so cool. We just passed a snake in a tree above our heads, like nobody's business. Look, this snake is right there. Oh gosh, Monique, just now. You see these snakes?
No, you don't have to be scared, right? It's not turn up.
We're on a boat. I'm on a boat. Can you see me, or do I look really dark? I can't tell because the glare bothering.
See, they're not headed to the island anymore. They start headed towards Rolling Tires Farm coming across. They normally choose a little higher into the swamp area that we're headed. They start nesting. They're very smart. They don't choose what that food stand do. You see them.
Hi, so I'm back at home ready to go to sleep, but I'm not going to go to sleep yet. I'm going to eat. So I'm going to eat some food. Hold on, show you the food. That's my food and my drink. And after I eat, I am going to edit this video, upload it, and then go to sleep. I am super duper exhausted. Bye everyone. Hope everyone had a splendid day. I sure as hell did. And yep. Mwah. Bye bye.